Deep in Waitomo, New Zealand, there's a cave that looks like a galaxy of stars, but those aren't stars, they're glowworms. Thousands of tiny, bioluminescent creatures hang from the ceiling, creating a magical blue glow. The Waitomo glowworm caves are home to a rare species found only in New Zealand. These glowworms use their light to attract prey, creating a breathtaking, otherworldly scene. Visitors can drift silently on boats through the cave, feeling like they're floating through space. The sight is so mesmerizing that it's one of New Zealand's top natural wonders. Would you explore this glowing cave? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing world facts.